this pine log here, the actual diameter is about 33 inches, so quite a big log. The saw I've got over there is a 660 with a 28-inch bar. It's actually a light type bar, just so I had plenty of them. I'd have preferred to use the Pro Solid bar. And the plan is using the Intersect, can I actually mill this log up fairly easily using this setup, because the maximum milling width I've got there is about 23 inches, yet the log is 33 inches. So you can see I've done a couple of vertical cuts there, which haven't penetrated through to the log. Probably now I'm going to turn the whole thing sideways and then take the top of the log off, and then I'm going to recite the Intersect so it's lower down on top of the log. I should be able to then finish the vertical cuts, make the log slimmer, and then hopefully finish it off. But it is a bit of a suck it and see, so we'll see how we go. I just want to show this bit where I've been lazy and not put the vertical log on, and you can see why you do need that. I'll put the strap on now, but look at the vibration. See, I'm just even with the rails flat on top of the log, which actually generates a thicker plank at the top. I'm struggling to clear it, so I'm going to come over 2 or 3 more cuts, and I'm still not going to go all the way down vertically through the log. So what I'm going to do, flip the rails so I'm cutting horizontally. I'm going to take another top slab off, and then I'm going to recite the rails on top, and I should be able to do all the vertical cuts to enable me to then slab the rest of the log. So looking at doing this log, I sort of realised that to keep the wany edge on the far side is what's sort of causing problems. If I could have come down the other side and taken a vertical cut off the other side, I'd have knocked off 4 inches there. But I'm sort of determined to keep the wany edge. I think I should have enough bar length now to go down through the wood vertically, make it slim enough to then crack on with slabbing the rest of it horizontally. We shall see. milling the log, surprisingly, I've misjudged it. That's not surprising. It could, if the bar had just come over a couple more inches and I'd have cleared the log, it would have been a lot easier to mill. But even despite this, the planks are so even. And when the bar was exiting it, you could just see there was no spring in it. It came just straight out flat. So quite an achievement really, just to do that. So there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 planks there. And yeah, I'll just have to fiddle around to break them open and then shave the ends off. So in conclusion, yes, you can do a bigger log, but this was probably a little bit too big for the setup with the 28-inch bar on there. 30-inch would have been better, and I'm still losing about an inch away there just where I've got it sized on the chainsaw. So if that came back, that would give another inch, and then another 2 inches of cut as long as the bar flex doesn't come into play, and then that 3 inches would have been perfect and made things a lot easier. So there is another scenario of cutting an oversized log, which I'll try next time. But you can still sort of see it. I know it doesn't look it, it's because that side sort of propped up where it hasn't cut through, but the planks are really nice and flat and even.